Good morning, good morning. Is everyone excited to be here? My name is Christina Ayanian from the listings team here at NASDAQ, and it is truly my great pleasure to welcome Syra Health and your co-founder and chief executive officer, Dr. Deepika Vupalanchi, and Sandeep Alam, co-founder and executive chairman and president. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to Syra Health's management team, employees, board members, family, friends, and all of our distinguished guests. We're so excited that you all could join us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. So we're going to do a little practice round of clapping and cheering. We have a theory here at NASDAQ. The louder you clap and cheer, the more green I see behind me. And I think we're on a pretty good start. So how about a nice big round of applause? Founded in 2020, Syra Health is a healthcare company with a mission to improve healthcare by providing innovative services and technology solutions. Its aim is to become a valuable partner to government, payers, providers, life science organizations, and academic institutions by offering services in digital health, behavioral and mental health, and population health. Syra Health is led by an experienced team who is devoted to helping solve their partners' biggest healthcare challenges. On September 29th of this year, Syra Health joined the ranks of the world's most innovative and growth-oriented companies when they listed with us on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SYRA. Congratulations, everyone. Just recently, the company announced the launch of Serenity, a prevention-focused mental health product that proactively identifies the negative factors impacting mental health and integrates telehealth for mental health treatment and services. That's an incredible accomplishment. How about another round of applause? Deepika and Sandeep, we know that this is a team effort, so congratulations to you, your management team, your board, your family and friends who have stuck with you through the way. We look forward to supporting you as a NASDAQ-listed company and look forward to having you back to celebrate many more milestones. Now, please join me in welcoming Deepika and Sandeep to the podium for further remarks.
Well, it is an honor to stand before you representing Syra Health, a beacon of innovation, dedication, and healthcare transformation. We at Syra Health are united in our passion to serve our partners, make tangible differences in the lives of patients, communities, and individuals they serve. We at Syra Health are committed to making advancements in the mental and behavior space, trying to break the barriers in healthcare access, and also utilizing the power of data and innovation to shape healthcare. I would like to thank Team Syra for their dedication, because that's what fuels our success, our partners, shareholders, family and friends for your trust and encouragement. Thank you.
This is a remarkable moment as we gather to ring the NASDAQ bell to celebrate the Syra's incredible purpose to solve healthcare's biggest challenges. In my journey of cultivating companies, Syra Health stands out as a profound achievement. We are new. We embrace challenges to grow and evolve into a public company in just 3 years. I can proudly say the bold steps we have taken to provide leading-edge services to our partners in government and healthcare organizations have really carved a spot for us among the biggest companies. We specialize in mental health, population health, and digital health. And our solutions are centered on 3 things: prevention, access, and affordability. We are committed to reshaping the landscape of health and digital health. Our goal is to ensure everyone has access to the highest level of quality of healthcare that they deserve. I want to take this moment to express my deep gratitude To my extraordinary team of Syra Health, it's the dedication, support, and passion that drives our progress. Thank you.
And I would like to present you with the NASDAQ opening bell crystal.
Thank you.